You want a free-flowing, powerful voice? I got the solution. And there's a specific exercise I'm going to teach you on this video to do exactly that, so you sound more commanding, in control, and connected to your emotions. Hi, I'm voice coach Gabriel Bravado from GB Voice Academy. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can have access to all of these helpful videos. Also take a look at my 5-star best-selling singing, public speaking, and accent reduction courses that I have available, link below. Join me as I share with you the voice exercises I do every day to build a strong, commanding voice. These exercises will reattach your voice to your core, ground it, give it more depth, more strength. And non-singers, don't get intimidated by this. Even if you find that you're not on pitch and it's not making sense, this is what differentiates great communicators from okay communicators. I teach it to my accent reduction clients, my singing clients, my public speaking clients. It will help you connect your voice to your heart. The first thing we want to do is some lip trills. What this does is this loosens up our lips, our soft palates, because what happens when we talk a lot or if we get into arguments or a very passionate conversation is we tend to use these muscles. It tightens things up and we don't want that. We have to learn how to be efficient with our muscles. Because remember, muscles have mileage. When you use a lot of it for a long period of time, it's going to get tiring. It's going to shut down. That's when you lose your voice. That's when you start cracking. We don't want that. Let's start with some lip trills. I'll give you the exercise. Let that airflow be consistent. Support from the diaphragm. Let it flow. Here we go. Keep it consistent. Consistent, let the air flow. Now as you go up, you're gonna feel like you're losing your breath, disconnecting. Your job is to support from the diaphragm, keep that air consistent and shooting out like a laser beam. Now, you notice as we go higher, your voice is going to switch gears. It's going to go into different places in resonance of the sound. Let it be. Don't try to control that. This is the number one thing I hear a lot of my beginner students struggle with, is they try to physicalize each individual passaggio. I'm going to put it there and I'm going to put it there. That's not your job. That's Mother Nature's job. Our job is to relax our muscles, support from the diaphragm, let the air flow, and it's going to change passaggio gears internally. That's what a gifted singer has. They have that natural instinct, that natural ability to be able to break through all barriers, top and bottom. Now let's do some vowels. Ah, e, I, o, u. And this is how it goes. Again, support from the diaphragm. You should not be engaging any of these muscles because when you do, that's when you start hearing the tension and the cracks. You want those vowels to change internally, just like I was talking about earlier in letting those passagios happen internally naturally. The same with these vowels. They internally fold inside of themselves, right? Versus you're pushing it forward, out. Keep it inside of your body. Same thing. Should feel nice, organic. Excellent. Oh, last one. You can do it. Good. We're covering all of these open vowel sounds that have to have space. We can't possibly pronounce these sounds if there's no airflow, if it's closed in. We gotta keep things open. And that's exactly what these exercises do. All right, this is a fun one. Simple, goes like this. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. I want you to really eat those M's, yeah? Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Don't back away from that, really punch it. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Very good. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Support from the diaphragm. Excellent. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Feel that vibrational M. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Good. Last one, stick with me. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Very good, very good. Let's cool things off working the lower register, because remember, the basis of a really good voice is one that's deeper and richer. We subconsciously have a connection with people with deeper voices. It sounds more hypnotic. So now this exercise is to work that lower end. Down the ladder. Nice and rich. Feel that resonation here. Last one. Or how deep can you go? Nice. We have to work our whole range, because when speaking dynamically or singing, when you have control, I don't like that word control, it sounds like we're manipulating the sound. We're not doing that. When we have an availability, that's the word I like, an availability of all of these different passagios and ranges and vibrational chambers, then you're able to express yourself using any range you want, whether it's excited or whether it's a little more serious than that. The voice is free, warm, and open for you to utilize as you wish, as your emotions dictate. If you go to my website and you see the quote that I have in my header, you can speak well when your tongue is able to deliver the message of your heart. There's a reason why I have that quote up there. These exercises help you link your heart to your voice. This channel is here for you. Use the material on this channel. It doesn't take much to look at it, like it, comment, share it with your friends, and let me know what you need, because I'm here for you.